Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates. This is your host Omi. Let's see what's happening in today's markets and what are the latest news. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start today's video. So today's first news is regarding survey finds lower paid workers are quitting job thanks to crypto profits. Almost two-thirds of respondents who quit their jobs after making life-changing gains from crypto had total income of less than $50,000. So almost everybody right now is FOMOing in the markets, even small retailers and big retailers. And even some people, I was shocked that they would ever want to invest in cryptocurrencies. But even they have been wanting to know how to invest, which coins to buy, and we are in a very exciting times because every day we hear new and new retail investors are coming into the markets. This is the time when anytime a rug can be pulled off beneath us and we can have maybe we can just touch bottoms. So as FOMO comes into the markets and as retail investor comes into the markets, we know that the rug pull is getting closer and closer as well. So both sides, there's a positive that there are new people coming in, there'll be more adoption, and obviously there'll be more people buying. But then again, the people who had invested, they can pull the rug off any time and we might just hit the markets to the bottom. So vice versa, we have to be careful with our trades. Qcoin launches virtual office in the Lactopia metaverse. According to the exchange, the meta office will allow users to decorate cyberpunks, interact with virtual furnishings, as well as chat and speak to each other in the virtual environment. So following the news from Facebook, now we have another big company, that is Qcoin. Qcoin Exchange have invested in a metaverse as well. And now lately we've been seeing there's a massive trend that everybody wants to invest in the metaverse. Everybody wants to create a NFT based game that could be play to earn. So another bullish news coming in for metaverse fans. FC Barcelona set to launch NFT soccer moments with ONEX. ONEX CEO Guy Ehlani revealed to Cointelegraph that the first 5 NFTs will be debuted by the club in a minting event at the end of November. This is a massive news. Clubs like Manchester United, Real Madrid, and Barcelona, PSG, Juventus, these are massive clubs in the history of football. So when we look at a club like FC Barcelona also starting their NFT collection, that's a massive news. We just saw lately how Lazio's coin was released and it made massive gains in just a couple of hours. So it's good to see that the football fans will soon have their own supporters and will have their own NFTs, and this will allow them to hold something better than just the club's t-shirt, because most of the people today only get club's t-shirt or get a special pass that allows them to watch a game or two.
And billions and billions and billions and billions and billions.
Alright, this one we've been telling you here on our channel, don't buy Shiba, but a lot of people still bought Shiba because they're stubborn and they want to make mistakes and learn for themselves. There are usually two people in this world who learn from other people's mistake and one who like to make the mistakes themselves and then learn. It's better to be the first one because in the latter you waste a lot of time in your life. So Shiba Inu falls after 2.3 billion of SHIB move from Whale wallet. The billionaire whale moved 2.3 billion worth of SHIB to 4 different wallets and some investors are getting nervous. This already shows you that the money have moved and I don't expect Shiba Inu to be making any big gains in the next few days. Friday's 540 million Ethereum options expire, favors traded with targets at 5k. 540 million in Ethereum options expire on Friday and the data shows bulls have a good chance at securing the 5,000 level. So as we've been saying regularly on this channel that we are very bullish on Ethereum and there's a lot of reasons to be. Ethereum's already done an Altair upgrade. 97% of Ethereum's blockchain is already upgraded towards Ethereum 2.0. And lastly, the biggest thing, the whole ecosystem that Ethereum is built upon is actually pumping, it's actually doing some great gains, and above all that, it's a complete package. Solana is still under the phase of building, Avalanche is still under the phase of building, Ethereum has already built everything, achieved everything, so it's the time for now for Ethereum to shine. Everyone in the sandbox, artists, brands, creators pile into the metaverse. new ecosystem partners, attractive creators, incentive, and successful completion of a 93 million funding round are a few reasons why Sand has rallied 393% in the past 2 weeks. I absolutely agree that Sandbox have been rallying. Even their metaverse looks interesting, but the biggest problem with that is it's still not accessible to people, and we still don't know what's the issues there about privacy, what's the gameplay like, and overall, do you actually make money by building things and selling there? Though there's a lot of hype around it that you can make money, you can do this, you can do that, but there's a difference when somebody tells you that and you can actually do that in a game. So we have to still watch out and be very careful with Sandbox, because I have seen throughout my life in cryptocurrencies, a lot of coins come over the period of time, but they don't last, they don't fulfill their promises, and slowly they just crash. So be careful, you have to be very careful. I saw a lot of people who, they got very excited when Sandbox started pumping. They even asked me if they should buy, and we should never buy anything green. We always buy the red and we sell the green. So that's all for our market news. Now let's see what's happening, our technical analysis. So let's see कि हमारे coin market cap में क्या चल रहा है. So we get an in-depth analysis for our technical analysis. So dominance को देखें तो BTC की dominance is at 43% and Ethereum की dominance को देखें तो it's at 19.7. It's maintaining those levels at the same time, not much difference over the last 24 hours. The global crypto market cap is 2.71 trillion, a 1.48 decrease over the last day. और अगर Bitcoin की dominance को देखें, is currently at 42.96, a decrease of 0.30 over the day. So BTC's dominance have been going down and down slowly, and we've seen Ethereum's dominance have been rising. That is a sign for our altcoins to be pumping anytime soon, which we've been seeing yesterday that Solana made an all-time high. We saw Avalanche making an all-time high. We saw Luna making an all-time high, and we also saw Ethereum making another all-time high. So this is the season for new all-time highs. Everybody's been making just one thing, and that's all-time highs. So हम लोग देखते हैं मार्केट के अंदर क्या फील है. जल्दी स्क्रॉल करते हैं. As far as I know, today we are experiencing a nice correction and pullback since early mornings. But the best part was we closed our candles on a very high note, which was a very good thing. I also saw BTC's closing was pretty good, like good for me. What I look at it, it was interesting for me, and I think that would be a very bullish sign. So 24 hours में देखते हैं कि 24 hours में who are the winners and who were the ones who couldn't make any gains. So 24 hours में we have IOTEX, we have Telcoin, we have HOT, we have KDA, we have XC Infinity, which I told you guys yesterday should be pumping, OMG, AMP, Avalanche, Ravencoin, EGLD, the Sandbox, Solana, eCash, Compound, Maker, Polkadot, Thetafool, Cosmos, Terra Luna, Zcash, OKB, VeChain, Pancake. So mainly, usually the same coins we were seeing yesterday are also pumping today. Probably they're gonna make some small corrections where 3 to 5% they might have a pullback, and slowly towards the evening we might see another short and sharp pump. Why I say short pump? Because what we're seeing lately now is most coins are pumping, and after a period of 4 to 5 hours they get exhausted and then they make a pullback. So crypto greed and fear index, today we're at 73, still shows us we might be able to maintain these levels. The chance of a pullback and correction is always possible from here, but there's always a possible chance to make further gains and to have a parabolic upwards rally. Coin market cap के अंदर देख लेते हैं what are the biggest events today. As we always know, 11 November को parachain auctions, and parachain auctions, and then a big event coming for DOC, about 9 events coming. So Starship getting listed at Bitmart, Polka City NFT game release, general event, Ecomi, Ellipse, Solana is getting listed today. Bitforex, we got new cipher. Alright, mainly we see is Solana's main event today, that Solana is going to be listed at Bitforex listing. They could actually pump and push Solana's price even higher. I'm looking at something like 320. Let's see कि हमारे charts में क्या चल रहा है. So we're going to start as usual with Ethereum's dominance. If we don't do anything, and the first thing we see is we can see a double top here that makes us probably gonna come down, which we did. We are testing right now the neckline of the double top, and let's see, 4 hours maybe gives us a sign that we might even go higher. So 4 hours maybe एक दफा देख लेते हैं. Similar situation in 4 hours, we can experience a small double top up there. BTC की dominance को भी देख लेते हैं. So BTC dominance has been coming down. We had a reversal here, but then still we couldn't complete the reversal. There was no momentum towards Bitcoin at the moment. The money had flowed into Ethereum, and we saw that clearly, and that's the reason BTC's dominance came down. तो BTC को भी देख लेते हैं. BTC is building a nice higher highs and higher lows at this moment. We see here we started a run from here. We broke out from this downward falling wedge or a channel, and then we started making an upward rally all the way here. Now we're making a higher low compared to this low. That's pretty normal. That's how a pullback works. Similar situation going on in Ethereum as well. You can see it clearly here. We are making another higher low. We made one here, now we're making one here. Previously we made here, so now we're going into a higher level and making a new correction there. Nothing to panic, nothing to worry. So XC Infinity, the man of the moment, XC Infinity made another surge. Its all-time high is about 165, and it went almost 161, almost 162, and now it got rejection. Now it's making support. I have a feeling even XC Infinity has the potential to go to 210 from the TA and the analysis I have been doing on XC Infinity. Let's look at AVAX. AVAX also made a new all-time high. As we can see, there we go. I expect all these coins to make a correction, and maybe you can buy another bag soon if you want to refill, or if you miss these coins, because these are the best coins right now in the market. Reason they are the best coins in the market, a lot of people always want to know, is because these are layer ones. These are the coins that are competing to be the best, to be the most important blockchains in the market. Similar situation we face for Solana. 247. Yep, 247 is the new all-time high for Solana. FTM has broken trend, and FTM is right now sideways, and FTM is making support somewhere in 2.5 2.6 region, and it's continuously getting rejected from 2.7. every time it goes around 2.7 it gets rejected. Overall, if you look at the market right now, it's in a very strong pullback. Let's also have a quick look what did our billionaires did yesterday. So our billionaires in 1 hour, oh sorry, 1 day. Alright, so our billionaires are also in long positions. Most probably by the time they will wake up, they will convert their positions into shorts. Insane. And yesterday we also saw a massive liquidation week in BTC that I think literally happened for a few minutes, and then the market just bounced back up. We'll see that in 4 hours. There we go. That was the liquidation week. The week was about at, the body was, let's just start from the top. So it was at 63,307, and this week went all the way to 65.5. That was insane. A $3,000 dump just in a few seconds, and that's now also bringing us back to those levels. There's a high possibility that BTC might consolidate in these zones, though our upward target still remains 70 and our downward target still remains 55, 57, 58, because we have still a lot of baggage we are carrying since here. We have people who had longed here, taken profits here, and they're still enjoying. So we never know. The exchanges do know that there's a lot of retail investor right now in the market. They do know this is their time to make money and get everybody liquidated. They do know there are a lot of newbies, and if the markets wouldn't know it, if the exchanges wouldn't know, then who would know? Because they have the most data collected on trades and people making accounts and all that algorithm. So they already know what's happening in the markets before us. That's why these wicks are made, so exchanges make money. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you understand the concept of why exchanges do this, and that's all, guys. So subscribe to the channel, smash the like button if you like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and if there's something I can help you with, or you want to know, or you want to promote your NFT project or a coin or anything, contact me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are given in the description below. That's all for today, guys. Bye bye and take care.